And you said until you get your first 100,000, invest in yourself anyways. Don't be going out and buying
first
things.
100 people, look, there could be, I could change my opinion on this, right? But people are trying to invest too soon. They're like, I got $5,000, should I put it in crypto? No, you should not. You don't have any money to put risk. You put the $5,000 in you, it's no money. Like, don't think you have any money, you're broke. So invest in yourself. Just keep investing in yourself until you actually have the ability, the marketplace proves that you have the ability to produce money over and over again. Because until you know that personally, it doesn't matter what I know. The individual needs to know, I have the ability to reproduce money. Why do people save money? Because they're worried about, why do they save for a rainy day?
Because they're scared. They're not confident that they can make more money.
Exactly. They're not confident that they can create more income and hold on to it.
And in '08, you proved to yourself that you can make it through a tough market, that you can thrive in a tough market.
Well, I proved, what happened was '08 validated that I was too vertical, that I was too one-laned, that I was too focused on one industry.
Which was property in South Florida?
No, at that time it was the automotive industry. That's where we were consulting mostly.
Right, okay.
So, number one, I was too focused on one vertical. I've heard guys say stay in one lane. There's 6 lanes. If this one gets blocked up, you need to use the other ones. You might have to go off-road too. You might have to jump the middle lane and go the other way. So that's what '08 taught me. Go wide, go this way.
Okay. And now what does that look like today?
Well, today it looks like, in 8 years I produced, I produced more money in 8 years than my entire career 100 times.